यूएस ट्रेजरी सेक्रेटरी जन्नत येलेन ने कहा है, उर्गे यूरोपीय बैंक टू हाइटेन कॉम्प्लेक्स मेजर्स एंड इंक्रीज फोकस ऑन रशियन इवेशन अटेम्प्ट रिमार्क्ड टू बैंकर यूरोपीय बैंक शुड एंश्योर दैट ओवरसीज ब्रांचेज स्ट्रेंथली अप्लाई सैंक्शन compliance policy, especially in high-risk jurisdiction, continue to explore new way to reduce Russian revenue and acquire good for its war in Ukraine. The most concerning evasion of US-Russian sanction has come through China, UAE, Turkey, but watching Europe as well. Banks have bolstered compliance measures in response to US warning on secondary financial institute sanction. Action by global financial sector are helping to frustrate Russia's ability to procure battlefield goods. Global financial conditions have eased since 2023. Banking sector turmoil risk borderly balanced, remaining vigilant to evade corporate debt leverage and liquidity mismatches in non-bank sector. Commercially real estate strain, US Europe must respond in strategy united way to China industrial policy. China excess industrial capacity threatened viability of firms in the US and Europe. Industrial development in emerging market, US not seeking to decouple from China but to diversify its supply chain. US takes subsidy for clear energy investment, not a turn toward American protection. European firms are participating